umbuzo omkhulu ke okhona ilo othi, do you trust the process na? Because if you don't trust the process, uzoba nesimo se-anxiety, ube restless, ube hasty, because you don't trust the process. Each and every opportunity, you will feel like jumping into it, because you don't trust ukuthi your time will eventually come. You see, you don't even trust ukuthi everything works for the common good, yabo, when it comes to you. You don't trust, yabo. So therefore, lapho kusho ukuthi awunawo ne-faith. And the painful part ngaleyo nto ukuthi i-reality njengoba ingekho fixed kanjalo, it is being manufactured as you go, yabo. It is manufactured as you go, as you engage with it. So if you don't trust the process, so it means energetically speaking and emotionally, because emotions is an energy in motion, there's this desperation kind of thing that is detected when, and as a result, that will make things to collapse on your side. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelela changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ngubani, ngoba impilo isiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yabo, in the near future, ukuthi what is your destiny, what is your what is your destiny? Khona lelinye igama bengilifuna. At the end, i-destiny yakho ayikho fixed, yabo, ayikho fixed i-destiny yakho. It keeps on changing as when you move with the reality. So it is impacted and affected by you at a distance. Your destiny is constantly changing from here to it. About the distance between your destiny and where you are right now. There is this thing called a quantum entanglement. So you and your destiny are one. As you think, as you feel, as you do, your destiny is changing instantaneously. There is no looking at, there is no separation. There is no separation. That thing is happening at a speed of light. You are impacting it. So if you don't trust the process in your own life, you are negatively impacting your destiny. If you don't trust the process, because the universe responds to the emotion and the emotional state, how you feel. That's what the universe responds to, not your wishes. So if you say, I trust in the higher power, I trust the process, I trust that everything is working in my favor, but emotionally, energetically, that's not what's happening. It doesn't, your emotions, your energy doesn't submit to what you say. You don't feel as you say. That's what's exactly happening. Your fate, your destiny responds to the way you feel. Because you cannot act differently from how you feel. You see? You cannot. So you can say what you say, but if you feel differently, you're gonna act in accordance with how you feel. In accordance to how you feel, brother. And that will move you and shape you to a different trajectory. And that's where you are going to land. And you will call it fate. You see? So that is why it is very important to know ukuthi currently right now your destiny, your fate is now, right now, is here now. The emotions, the actions are directly impacting your fate, your destiny in this life. So if you want to know whether will you be or will you live that kind of life that you envision, to know that it's not a matter of you thinking there is a Messiah or Messiah that will come from somewhere else, or there is something that needs to happen, or you think you have that abstract thinking. No, the law of karma, the law of connectivity, the law of connection, the past, present and future are interconnected. There is nothing that will happen in between that will make you to find yourself waking up in a different life that you love. No, you are going to be directly involved in the creation. That is the law as well, the law of creation. You'll be directly involved in the creation, and the creation involves the emotions. This thing of trusting the process will ease the anxiety, will ease the desperation, will ease the negative feeling, but trusting would eventually, because guys, we're in the war here. If we are in the war, you are not going to be despair and feel hopeless just because there are some beating that are coming in your way and you are being beaten here and there, and then you feel discouraged and you think you are going to lose the battle. No, if you are fighting, ezinye ibhakela ezokushaya vele. Angithi you are fighting, ezinye ibhakela vele ezokushaya now. But that doesn't mean you are defeated. But just because they are beating you, and when now you just decide to feel despair, you just decide to have that failure mindset, because no, it means things are not working, I'm defeated and all of those things. Yeah, as a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Yeah, so once you say now you are defeated, it means you are defeated, because the reality is being cooked as you engage with it. There is no reality beyond what you encounter with right now. There's no reality beyond. The reality exists as potential every time. Exists as potential. And what collapses those potential is you engaging with the realities. That's what collapses those potentials. And the reality that is being rendered and collapsed, it is the one that resonates and matches with the person you are. So that is why they say you attract what you are, not what you want. You see? Kukona konke okubonayo kwenzeka, uzibone sengathi uyahluleka, uzibone sengathi uyadrifta, ubone sengathi uthi no, lokho kungakudiscourage, kungakwenza ukuthi usabe, kungakwenza ukuthi uphenike, kungakwenza ukuthi kumele wazi ukuthi iba nefaith, iba netrust, yazi ukuthi yeah, indlela vele it's a bumpy ride. It's a bumpy ride. Just live life. Don't try to second guess or try to don't complicate things and overthink them. Just live life and know ukuthi you are guided and guided every time. Trust the process. Trust the process first. If you know about the direction matters more than the speed. The direction matters more than the speed. If you know that you are on the right path, right direction, correct direction, then speed doesn't matter. Because even if you can move 120 km per hour to the wrong direction, it doesn't make you land to a correct destiny. The speed doesn't make the destiny to be correct. So if you know that ngitshale emhlabathini fertile, ngiyachelela, then trust the process ukuthi izinto izokhula. Why when amubona sekufika ubusika azibuna izinto and then you think no, this thing is not going to work? Trust the process. That is